Hey there, social media and SEO internet fans. Ryan Perry here with Simple Biz Support. Kind of a new exciting thing that Facebook has out, and their constant goal to dominate the world apparently now that they've taken over Google for the most trafficked website. They have this new Open Graph protocol, and basically what it does is you can actually put your own like button on your website so that people can virally let other people know that they like your website. What you need to do is just drop this little bit of code onto your website. It'll add this button, and there's a couple of large companies that are already doing it. One of them is Yelp, so you can go onto Yelp, find a company that you like, click on the like button. You need to be logged into Facebook. When you do that and you show up on Facebook, right here it'll show that I like Dr. Wayne Sutton DDS. Pretty neat. It's another way to make your website viral, another way to get the word out, let your friends and family know who you like, what you like, and those type of things. Be sure to check out this code from Facebook and incorporate it into your website. It is a great way to get some free viral traffic.